Yes.
Until you like start getting like the first drop of solvent, you just want to keep adding it, or like pushing it through.
Okay.
But you don't want this to get dry. If this gets dry, then it kind of causes issues with the dye. So like once it's all pushed through, you want the solvent line to probably be about right here. You add a few drops of your unknown. I do not want a few. I want 2. Add one. And then you just add more solvent, push it through until you start collecting the first color, which you guys have magenta and blue. Looks like. Okay. So which one are you going to collect first, based on your Kelsey label? What do you think you're going to get first? Okay. So we'll get the magenta out first then, and then you'll get like probably a purplish color.
Yeah. Blank. So I'm gonna wipe off the blank. I've got the arrow facing where the light comes from. All right. Close it up. I'm gonna hit 0. Okay. You can pause it. Or you can splice it later, I don't really care. Pull this guy out. Alright, now I'm gonna wipe this is the unknown dilution of the dye. Wipe it off. Touch the wrong side. There we go. Close that guy up. 800 to 200 is what it's set to. And hit start. File name is going to be
HPC if you want to. Oh yeah, that's
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're thank God.
yeah. All right, so that's the initial dye. You see that graph? Okay. Now we should see the specific values for the 2 separate colors after we separated them.
And see real quick if you can get like a center view of it real quick, because I know you're at an angle. So
Yeah, sure.
Whenever we're comparing it later, it just makes it a tad bit easier. No big deal. Yeah, that's perfect. I appreciate it.
And I clean this guy off. This is going to be the blue color going in, the dilution.
So the wavelength is 437.
I would do.
Yes, for yellow.
For the data that we're recording for this video,
So we'll get more absorption, but we're going to get absorption specifically in where the blue area is, which is a higher wavelength than where the yellow was.
You want the limit. I guess you can go next. So what you want to do is you're really good. Did you want to do blue? Because like
When I get this guy out.
we can't really do when you like the standard.
And on the last one,
All we're looking for is specifically
And the last one. Get our last one in there.
it's just.
that one's gonna have some good absorbance.
I'm hoping your video each time had all of the numbers we need. Because we did not write those down. Well, hit start.
5:45.
This is
Just like predicted.
and we peaked where the yellow was on the initial sample.
Okay, so the peaks were. Okay.
You want to pause the video? Question then. Are we measuring absorption then at the specific peaks
We
of
don't
those
really
wavelengths?
need the